Welcome to Natural Science Adventures with me, your friendly narrator. Today, we're going to blast off into the fascinating world of space. Are you ready to explore the wonders of our universe? Let's begin our cosmic journey. First, let's take a look at our home, planet Earth. Earth is just one of 8 planets in our solar system, all orbiting around a star we call the Sun. The Sun is at the center of our solar system, and it's what gives us light and warmth. Let's meet the planets. Starting closest to the Sun, we have Mercury. It's a rocky planet with a surface covered in craters. Next is Venus, which is similar in size to Earth but is covered in thick clouds that trap heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. And then there's our own planet, Earth, the only place we know of that has life. Just beyond Earth is Mars, the red planet. Mars is known for its reddish color, and scientists are very curious about whether life could have ever existed there. Moving further out, we reach the giant planets. First up is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant with a huge storm called the Great Red Spot that has been raging for centuries. Next is Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. After Saturn comes Uranus, a blue-green planet that rotates on its side, and then Neptune, the windiest planet, with strong storms and deep blue color. These are the 8 planets of our solar system. But that's not all. Our solar system also has moons, comets, and asteroids, all orbiting around the Sun. Let's take a closer look at some of these fascinating objects. This is the Moon, Earth's closest neighbor in space. The Moon has no air, no water, and its surface is covered in craters. The Moon orbits Earth, and its gravitational pull is what causes the tides in our oceans. There are other moons too, like Jupiter's moon, Europa, which is covered in ice, and Saturn's moon, Titan, which has lakes of liquid methane. Each moon is unique and has its own story to tell. Now, let's talk about comets and asteroids. Comets are like dirty snowballs made of ice, dust, and rock. When they get close to the Sun, they heat up and create a glowing tail that can stretch for millions of miles. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Some asteroids are as small as pebbles, while others are hundreds of miles wide. Beyond our solar system, there are countless stars, each with its own system of planets, just like our Sun. Some of these stars are much bigger than the Sun, while others are smaller. There are even stars that explode in a massive burst of energy called a supernova. Stars, we find galaxies, huge collections of stars, gas, and dust, all held together by gravity. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. The universe is so vast and filled with wonders that we are only just beginning to explore. Who knows what amazing discoveries we'll make in the future? Vehicles used on the Moon. The first time people landed on the Moon was in 1969. The first people to walk on the Moon were 2 Americans by the names of Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. Since then, a few people have visited the surface of the Moon and have explored it. Using a vehicle called the Moon rover. Mars is often called the Red Planet. Has not yet been explored the surface of Mars. The Mars rovers are designed to operate on Mars. Mars is quite different from Earth, so the rovers have to be planned and built very well. Earth rover has several different cameras to view the landing area. This allows scientists to explore the surface of Mars from Earth. Some of the cameras are used for avoiding obstacles. In general, the rover can travel up to 100 meters a day. They often travel less because they gather information about the soil and rocks on the surface while they go. Mars rovers even have heaters to keep the batteries warm. The temperatures on Mars can drop to well below freezing point. And there you have it, the incredible world of space. From planets and moons to stars and galaxies, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be explored. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming big. Bye for now.